Welcome to my spring series where each Friday I refresh and get my life together in a different way. Fashion, home, cleaning. This week I'm decluttering my apartment for spring, so make sure to come back next week and enjoy the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with my spring series. I'm posting videos every Friday, just kind of getting my life together, refreshing for spring. Today we're going to be decluttering and organizing my entire apartment. I'm literally going to be going through every single thing in my apartment and organizing and just doing some spring cleaning. I feel like cleaning and organizing is so therapeutic. Lately I've been noticing a lot of places in my apartment are just a little bit cluttered, a little bit messy. There's a lot of things that I have that I'm just not really using. Going into the spring season, I just kind of want to go through it all, organize and declutter. I don't really want to just be storing things that I'm not using. I'm not going to be going too crazy. I think I'm gonna start with my living room and then kind of work my way to the kitchen and then my bedroom and bathroom, just kind of work my way throughout all the rooms. I hope you guys enjoy and get some spring cleaning inspo. Definitely thumbs up if you do, and if you'd like to see some more cleaning videos on my channel. Comment below your best cleaning tips and things that you need to declutter and organize, and let's just get started. I'm gonna start off with this media console in my living room. I feel like there's just a lot of stuff in here that I don't really use, especially in this middle drawer. It's a bunch of random decorations, literally just kind of like a junk drawer. Here I have candles in these baskets. This is kind of like an overflow candle thing. It really wasn't supposed to be candles, but it's become candles. And here I just have like all of my games. So I'm just gonna kind of take things out and sort through it. I found a bunch of stuff to get rid of. I kind of like condensed these two drawers. This one has some overflow candles. A few of my extra decorations I just kind of like stuffed in the corner. Some of these are decorations that I like to like switch out. I want them to be easy to get to. I kind of like reorganized my candles. My summer and spring scents are here, and then fall Christmas scents are here. And then in this middle drawer, I put all of my photo albums. This has all of my Polaroid pictures. This has all of my disposable camera pictures. This one is all travel. That one is all like just everyday life. And then I have a few other just like random albums down there. These are all like discs that I need to put on my computer, like the digital version of all of those. So I'm just gonna put those there for now. I have more photo albums and stuff actually under my bed. So we're just gonna leave this drawer like this for now. This is everything that I found to get rid of. I also found some Easter decorations, so I put those out. This is where I had all the photo albums, so I just cleared this out. I'm just gonna leave it empty for now. That is pretty much everything in my living room. Now I'm gonna work my way to the kitchen, and there's just a few specific areas that I kind of want to go through. I have like a junk drawer. It's like my silverware is in here, but then I also have just like a bunch of random junk. I don't even know what all is in here, but I've been wanting to go through it. We'll just go through it together. Don't judge. I don't even know what's in here. Just kind of throw any random stuff in here. Water bottles. I definitely don't use them all, so I'm just gonna sort through them. Definitely keeping my Stanley. This is probably the one that I use the most. This goes with the water bottle that's in the dishwasher, so I obviously use it. I feel like I need my step stool for this. It is a little bit later. I think I'm gonna move on to my bathroom. The top of my bathroom counter is really disorganized, I feel like. I have a lot of skincare, hair care products, and it's just a little bit messy. So I kind of want to clean that off. And then also just kind of going through the drawers. My makeup drawer, there's a lot of extra makeup in there that I don't really use every day that I definitely want to take out. I recently went through underneath my bathroom sink and completely reorganized it. So that part of my bathroom is actually pretty organized. Basically any products that I don't use regularly, I just kind of want to take out of my bathroom and just kind of sort through those. Here's the top of my bathroom counter. It's just really cluttered, although I do use a lot of these. I'm gonna try to just kind of declutter this and make it less stuffed. In this drawer, I have some extra skincare that I don't use every day, but I do use often. In this drawer, I have my everyday makeup. I definitely have more than my everyday products, so I definitely want to go through this as well. To be honest, I don't feel like my bathroom is much different. It's a little bit more organized. My makeup drawer especially, I don't have to like sort through all the things that I don't use to find the things that I do use. Moving on to my bedroom, I think I'm gonna start off by going through the makeup and skincare that's in my IKEA 9-drawer dresser. I did declutter it pretty recently. I do feel like there's a lot of products in there that I don't really use. There might even be some expired products. I'm just gonna kind of sort through that, get rid of anything that I haven't used recently, I don't see myself using anytime soon. And then I'm also gonna organize underneath my bed. I have a lot of like little travel bags, just like a bunch of random stuff, so I'm gonna sort through under there. I haven't gone through that in a while, so I feel like that's probably somewhat cluttered. It is a little bit later. I've just been going through my makeup, skincare, bathroom. Once I started organizing the makeup and skincare in this dresser, I kind of just wanted to change everything up. I got rid of enough stuff that I actually cleared out a whole drawer. I kind of wanted to just move everything around. So then I went back to my bathroom and kind of reorganized some stuff in there. Literally just kind of moved everything around. I actually moved almost everything that was sitting on the top of my bathroom counter into drawers. So now my bathroom counter is just a lot cleaner. I'm not really sure if I like it. In the next decluttering video, I might move it all back. It's almost so organized that I just feel like it's gonna be a pain to have to like put it back each time. Having it on top of the counter is just really easy to get to and put back. Also, it doesn't all fit in the drawers, so like some of it is in the drawers, some of it's not in the drawers. We're just gonna see, because I really don't like it sitting out on the counter. I literally have stuff everywhere, so I'm just gonna kind of tidy things up. I really thought I could just do this in a couple hours, but it has taken a really long time. It just takes a lot of time to kind of like sort through stuff. I just finished tidying up. I just kind of wiped the surfaces down, and especially my bathroom was like really dusty. I have to say I'm pretty happy with how my bathroom turned out. It looks so much cleaner now and just like so much more organized. I feel like everything has a home. I think that's all the organizing I'm gonna do today. I was gonna go through my closet a little bit. I think I'm gonna save that for closet clean out. I'll probably be doing a closet clean out pretty soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some spring cleaning inspo. Definitely thumbs up if you did enjoy, and if you'd like to see some more cleaning videos on my channel. Definitely comment below your best cleaning tip or an area of your home that you need to declutter. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video. If you didn't watch the last video in my spring series, definitely make sure to check that out. So I'll link that here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video.